On the west coast of Florida, there's really two primary protocols. One is what's called a missile level C, which is a 4.5-pound 2x4 traveling at 40 feet per second. That's going to be really common in like Tampa area, Hillsborough, Manatee, and Bradenton. When you get down to Sarasota and south, they step up the requirement to a missile level D, and that's actually double the weight, a 9-pound 2x4, and it's traveling at a faster rate of speed, 25% faster, at 50 feet per second. What's required on this coast, even if you have that missile level D, is to take one shot and impact the glazing only. The Dade County requirements are much more stringent, and we're actually going to hit this product 3 times. Today, we're the nation's leading manufacturer of impact-resistant windows and doors.